Mark McCleskey, BrazilDirect.us with Jaime, Hydronalix, and he's going to demonstrate how to operate the Sonar boat. Take it away, Jaime.
Okay, so prior to putting the boat in the water, we want to do a couple checks, make sure everything works properly. First things, turn on your transmitter, come back to the back of the boat, pull your lanyard. You wait about 5 seconds. Then we're gonna check for rudder control, right, center, left, and then throttle by pulling the trigger, and reverse bucket. Simultaneously, you want to start your ground station. You want to ensure you power on your ground station. Here, the LED on the top shows you whether you have a good connection to the boat or not. Right now it's red, so it means it hasn't connected to the boat yet. It takes about 2 minutes before you can start doing sonar. Also, you want to ensure your antenna is plugged in on your ground station and you have a fully charged battery pack on the other side for your power input. As you can see, the light has changed from red to green. That means communication has now started between the boat and the ground station, and now it's time to put the boat in the water. Even though communication has started between the boat and the ground station, we still don't have sonar information. Once these boxes right here, one of them is going to show us the depth and the other one's going to show us temperature. Once we get a depth and a temperature, that means communication, depth and temperature. So that means we're all good to start doing sonar now. So that's the reverse functionality. Forward thrust. And let's go to that's our sonar window. This is what's called side imaging sonar. On the side imaging sonar screen, you can see the right portion of the boat, left portion of the boat. This is the range that we're seeing right now, 50 feet, 50 feet. That's the depth of the water where the boat is currently located, the speed that the boat is traveling at, and that's the temperature of the water.
Very good.
Usually the range that you want to have set up your side imaging for is 3 times the depth, whatever you have.
So now would be a good time to talk about GPS and automated and the GPS and autopilot. Kind of explain a little bit about that.
Yeah, so initially we have to set up a contour of the, so as you can see on the right side of the screen we have a map, and that map shows the location of the boat. Let me show you the other one. As you can see, it shows you the depth, speed, and the heading right underneath. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to set up a contour of kind of like the boundaries of the lake. So those red lines, they indicate where the boat has been. So in order to set up autopilot, first thing is you use this cursor, and let's say I want to send the boat to this position right there in autopilot. First thing I do is I click the go to key, select go to position, my waypoint has been generated. So then I turn off my transmitter, and then the speed is set up on your phone. So you use this app called Bluefruit. You connect to it, select the UART option, and type in a throttle percentage. In this case, I'll set up 50% throttle. And as you can see, the boat's it's maneuvering itself. Let me send it to another waypoint.
So it's operating on its own right now.
Mm-hmm.
And tell us how the GPS would work with the autopilot.
Pretty much the ground station sends a waypoint, tells the boat where to go. The boat has a GPS embedded in it, so it knows where its current position. So because it gets a waypoint from the ground station, it knows where it has to go and it knows where it is. So that way it can calculate the trajectory to go to that particular waypoint.
Very good. And that's a wrap.